We found like a unique, what do you call it, leaf.
It's like a plant formation of a coral. This may have been how the Taínos wrote on the papyri leaves for ink.
So just hiking now.
So it's a different texture from the ones I'm accustomed to. I bit into it and it was extremely soft.
Guava is actually one of my favorite fruits, by the way. This is where chocolate comes from, real chocolate. This is stinking toe.
I guess that's a no.
Sweet. I can tell this would be nice in a drink. I don't know what it tastes like.
Picking some coconut now straight from the tree.